If you study like this, psychology says you might be sabotaging your own intelligence. These 7 habits are killing your brain. Habit number 1, passive reading without testing. You read the chapter 3 times and think you know it. You don't. That's the illusion of competence. Recognition isn't recall. Psychology shows passive reading creates familiarity, not memory. You're wasting time. Habit number 2, all-nighters before exams. Pulling all-nighters destroys memory consolidation. Your brain processes information during sleep. Skip sleep, lose learning. Studies show students who sleep before exams score 30% higher than those who cram all night. Stop sabotaging yourself. Habit number 3, highlighting without summarizing. Highlighting makes you feel productive, but psychology says it's one of the least effective study methods. You're creating the illusion of learning without actual understanding. Recognition is not recall. Test yourself instead. Habit number 4, studying one subject for 5+ hours. Diminishing returns kick in after 90 minutes. Your brain hits cognitive fatigue. After that, you're just staring at pages. Smart students switch subjects every hour. They keep their brain engaged. You're just exhausting yours. Habit number 5, no strategic breaks. Studying for hours without breaks murders focus. Your working memory gets overloaded. Attention crashes. Psychology proves the Pomodoro technique works. 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes break. Without breaks, you're learning at 50% capacity. Habit number 6, cramming instead of spacing. Cramming everything the night before overloads working memory. Your brain can't transfer information to long-term storage. Spaced repetition over days beats cramming every single time. Science proves it. You're ignoring the research. Habit number 7, multitasking while studying. Studying with phone notifications, music with lyrics, TV in the background. Psychology calls this attention residue. Every distraction leaves a cognitive trace. Your brain never fully focuses. You study for 3 hours but retain 1 hour's worth. Here's the truth. Smart students do the opposite of all 7. They test themselves instead of rereading. They sleep before exams. They summarize instead of highlighting. They switch subjects every hour. They take strategic breaks. They space their learning over days. They eliminate all distractions. Intelligence isn't about working harder. It's about working with how your brain actually functions. If you recognized yourself in these 7 habits, you're not stupid. You just haven't learned how learning works yet. But now you know. Stop sabotaging yourself. Start studying smart. Comment which habit you're guilty of. Subscribe if you want more psychology-backed study methods that actually work.